I came here because this is such a wonderful, diverse conversation about AI and its many applications.
Community seems to be extremely welcoming. They seem to be extremely friendly. They all seem to be extremely technical. There's a lot of deep tech folks represented here.
You learn about different applications over here and people using AI in creative ways, and that can in turn feed back into your own thinking of how you're trying to solve a problem. And then that leads to, magic in some ways.
You just see smiles, you see excitement, you see people sharing ideas, you see people pitching people on their ideas, then you make connections, you have follow-ups. Maybe I get to hire 1 or 2 people out of here.
What drew me was the diversity of speakers and the interest in talking across boundaries.
A lot of folks here seem to be working on really meaningful problems, super exciting kind of high risk reward stuff. So it's really cool to see a community that is kind of centered around really exciting things like that.
Yeah, it sort of is the physical face-to-face version of what happens on the internet. All of us here are very enthusiastic and about breakthroughs in artificial intelligence, and the internet is really where you keep track of these things. But it's a bit impersonal. When you come here, those things turn into relationships. And those relationships can be perhaps what allows you to start collaborating closely together and work on a new research project or start a new company. And maybe that's the special aspect of this.
You don't go to listen to yourself, you go because there'll be really interesting people there and you'll come away having learned a lot. And I feel I did.